Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, welcome to lesson 10. All right, so you can just pause the video and copy whatever you see here and correct something real quick. Okay, good. So now after using this, we want to create our CSS page. Save this and come here. See, start lesson 10. Good. Now in our CSS page, we have linked our CSS page already. So the next thing we want to do here today, we will be working with text. But before going to the tutorial, guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please like the video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. You can click the button you see right down. Okay, so the next thing we want to look at text. All right, how we can work with text. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be walking you through some other ways that you work with text. Okay, I'm going to be walking you through text coloring, text formatting, and so on. All right, so quickly let us do this. Now in here we have a div already, so I'm just going to put a div here and then border this div or give it the outline solid, and say solid or green, solid and say this should be like 5 pixels. Good. So after this, and save it, and then we'll open this our lesson 10 into the browser. Good. Now this is our lesson 10. It is open to the browser. Now after doing this, we want to create something in this text. Okay, we want to create something in this text. We want to play around with it and make sure that we have what we have here. Okay, so I'm going to start it in our HTML document. I'm going to start as just text. Okay, and save it. So understand that every changes you make, you have to save it. All right, so now I come here, invoke the star. Now the first thing we're going to be working with is text background color. Okay, say background color. The background color is going to be sky blue, so we save it. Now if we open our browser here, refresh this, we have sky blue text here. Okay, we have sky blue. Now if we turn this background color to something like black, all right, and then we save it, we come and look here, our text background color is black, but we need another thing here, which is color. Yes, and then here we can say our color should be white. Good, we save it. If I refresh this, now you see our color in here is white. Okay, now let me share our page. Good. Now after sharing it, if you see on this angle here, we have this being white, and if I come down here and say the next thing I want to do here is I want to do text alignment and create some things in it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to say text align. All right, now for text align, you can put your text center like this. If I refresh it, you'll see our text come in the center of the div. All right, instead of coming from the left to the right, the text has come in the center of the div. All right, now if I push this back on the side and come here and say our text alignment should be right and save it, if I refresh this, our text align on the right. Now you see it align on the right. Now the next thing we want to do here, if we say our text alignment should be we can do vertical alignment as well in this. All right, so we'll keep this to center and get out of this and say here should be VRTIC, vertical alignment. All right, so for our vertical alignment, we're just going to keep our text in right Okay, we say reverse, or let's just use reverse. All right, good. So if we come back here and then refresh this, now you see here the text is in the center, but our vertical alignment is reverse. Now it will come back here. We have understood few things, okay, in the lesson. We have understood how to color the text itself, how to color the text background, how to align the text. Okay, so the next thing we want to work through is text decoration. Okay, the next thing is text decoration. So we want to say here text dash decoration. Okay, now for text decoration we want to say line. Good, and save it. Now if we say line, come and see what standing. Okay, now for now I'm going to remove the background color so we can know what we are dealing with. Okay, so I'm just going to comment this section here. Now I think in our last session we talked about comment. We said any code that is comment out, that means that code won't work. All right, so I'm commenting out the two sections because we want to have this two thing. All right, good. So if I come here and refresh this, now we want to use line through. All right, good. For text decoration, we say line through, and then we refresh this. Now you will observe that our tiny line have gone through the text. All right, our tiny line have gone through the text. Okay, now we can use thickness, we can use style, we can use color. All right, there are several other things we can use here. We can say text decoration style. All right, you can say text that decoration that style. All right, so you can say text that line, or you say text star, or you say text skip, or you say text that thickness. All right, now we say pixel. All right, so there are several other things we can use here. Okay, we can use thickness, we can use style, we can use color. We come here, we say color. All right, we can come here and also use line. All right, so with all of these things then that we just put here, okay, we can use line, we can use overline, we can use line through as well. We use line, we say for line we have overline. If we save it and refresh this, we have the line will go over the text. All right, now because of our border we cannot see it, because of our outline we cannot see it. Okay, so the next thing we want to rush through quickly will be our text shadow. All right, how to create shadow on your text. We say text shadow. All right, for the shadow of the text we want it to be 2 pixels and 2 pixels also. Good, and save this. Now if we head back to our browser and refresh this, now you see the shadow of our text have changed to something like this. That is very awful. All right, so now we have something in here showing that we can give our shadow text a color. All right, this is red, and save it. Now as we refresh this, our shadow text have a color now. So the next thing we want to do is give it a shadow and an opacity. Okay, now for here we'll put 5 pixels. Okay, and save it. Now you're going to find out that our shadow text is going to be that blur. Okay, so with this way you can be able to at least enjoy the effect of your text. Now let's change this to something like black. Now save it. As we refresh this, now you see here what happened, and then we can change our text color to white. Okay, we change our text color to white and our background to black. So I'm just going to uncomment those sections and come back here. All right, now for here we're going to make this with white and save it. And the next thing we're going to do here, we're going to change our text color to black. Good, save it. So as I refresh this, now you can see what we have here, and we can also come out and change this, and then we see this as well. Okay, so for here we can put this to be 10 pixels and save it. and when we come back here, this is what we get. Okay, so guys, this is just for this is for our text. All right, this is for us playing around with our text. Some of those different things, some of the different tasks that we can accomplish with text. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. I hope you learned something in today's lesson. Guys. Please, if you learned something, give the video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. While we are going through this series, please subscribe. So I will see you guys in lesson 11. So thank you very much. See you guys in lesson 11.
Subscribe to my channel.